Hey guys, welcome back to Bugbear Studio. This is going to be a simple tutorial on how to make a glass shader that looks like this in Blender. So I'm going to make a new file. And the first thing I'm going to do is press Shift A and add in a plane and move it on the Z-axis, -1. By pressing G, Z, and -1, and then scale it up like that. And now to make the glass shader, I'm first going to go into the material preview mode, and I'm gonna go to the material properties and go to the principled DF thing. Under the surface, I'm going to change the surface to glass, and I think what I'm going to do is, well, actually first I need to go into the rendered shading, and nothing is happening right now. It doesn't really look glassy. In order for it to look like glass, I'm gonna click on the light and change it to a sunlight. I'm gonna set the strength to like 50 or so. Looks good. And I'm gonna also change the render engine. Well, if you want it to be Eevee, you could turn on screen space reflections and then click refraction. And what I'm gonna do is add in the a mesh, for example, the torus, and you won't be able to see it right now. So I'm not sure why that is with, well, let me just press 0. I think I'm just gonna try to change these settings. Oh, refraction. Sorry. So change the IOR back to 1.45, I think. And then click screen space refraction, and now you can see the torus inside, and it like makes all the light like refract. So it's basically transparent, and it looks like glass. But to make this look even better, you can go to change the render engine to cycles. Under the little camera icon, just click on the render engine, change it to cycles. This light might be a little too powerful. Just change it to like 5 or so. And also you can change the material for this. And that's it for this video. You can also like mess around with the trace precision and the roughness, stuff like that. And the material properties, the roughness. If I decrease that all the way, that looks pretty cool. But yeah, that's it for this video. If you liked it, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.